So hey guys, Samsung already has launched two foldable smartphones in the market, Samsung Galaxy Fold and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. The South Korean giant is now going to launch the third foldable smartphone, which is Samsung Galaxy Fold 2, and it will be the successor to the Samsung Galaxy Fold. While some details related to the upcoming smartphone have already been leaked online, the latest information sheds light on the Galaxy Fold 2's camera configuration. The device is going to have triple camera setup on the backside, and it seems that the company is taking out the same camera module that is present in the Samsung Galaxy S20. The upcoming Galaxy Fold 2 is set to feature a 12-megapixel primary shooter, a 64-megapixel telephoto lens, and third one will be the 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. The report also says that the phone will have two camera sensors on the front side, but they won't be placed together. Instead, one sensor will be placed inside the notch of the side a small screen, while the other sensor will be placed on a foldable screen. Earlier, there were some reports claiming that the Galaxy Fold 2 could feature in-display camera sensor. However, the company decided to go ahead with the punch hole cutout for the front-facing camera because of the supply issue for the display camera technology. As per the reports, the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 is gonna feature 7.59-inch flexible dynamic AMOLED display with 120Hz of refresh rate, while the smaller screen will feature 6.23-inch display with 60Hz panel only. It also claimed that the phone uses ultra-thin glass of the Galaxy Z Flip in order to protect the display, which should offer higher durability. The phone is also reported to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC silicon and come packed with a 4500 mAh of battery along with 45-watt fast charging support. Coming to the pricing, reports indicate that the starting price for the Galaxy Fold 2 will be $100 lower than the Galaxy Fold, which means the Galaxy Fold 2 will be priced at $1,899 US. So that is it in today's video guys. Let me know in the comment section below what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy Fold 2, and I'll see you in my next video.